Guys, what's up? It's Mark. How's everybody doing? Check this out. The beast of beasts. Awesome truck. This, my friends, is a... Whoa, hold the key tag and don't drop it. It's a 2021 Chevrolet Silverado 2500 HD Duramax. LTZ Z71. Loaded. Remote start, remote tailgate button. You name it, it has it. Z71 6.6 Duramax with an Allison transmission, paired with the best. Super nice truck, runs and drives absolutely phenomenal. I'm gonna do it quick so I don't bore you guys with the videos real quick. The front end, the redesigning of these are absolutely stellar. They're really kick-ass. I like the way it's big blocky grills. As far as the huge grill pattern from the previous year to this year, it's all preference. I like it. It grows on me. Z71 incorporated into the grill. We get the AVS front bug dam guard that goes flush with it. Absolutely fits perfect. Super cool ram air designed hood with all the features and bells and whistles. 20% window tint. Leveled. It's got either the keys are jacked up, the keys are turned up, or it's level. One of the two, you can decide. It's got a good set of Goodyear Wrangler tires on it. These are a 275/70 18-inch tire with probably about 40% tread on all four corners. Magnum side step rails. And we'll go over, there's so many features from this new body style Duramax or Silverados, both the same thing. I can spend hours going on it. I'm not going to bore you with that. I'm going to cut it straight to the point. Tailgate, I'm going to explain and show you how that works real quick because it's easier. 1, 2. It beeps at you. It gives a nice, polite, soft beep and then goes down. Sorry about the dirty dirt in the tailgate. You get all the cool features. Then it also it beeps when it's down. Once it's all the way down, it beeps again. You get your lights in here, LED lights on both sides. You get your trailer plug right here if you want to dry your hair, or use plug a light in or a little light right here so you can do your homework in the bed of your truck. Whatever you want to use that plug for, it's there for just you. They made it just for you. Big Rancho shocks right here, all four corners. Rancho, that's right, I'm sorry, it's a Rancho leveling kit. All four corners have Rancho shocks, as you can see. And walking around to the side right here, it's bone stock, okay? You still get def and all that good jazz. Spray and bed liner with the Chevy bow tie in the middle. The top's in good shape. Your huge lights for your mirrors right there. Your lane assist incorporated in the mirror. Your lights right there. I mean, it's good. I can keep on going on. I'm not going to bore you with that. Like I said, here's the interior. Previous guy had a thing under the rear seat. While we're back here, I'll show you real quick. A little power inverter right there. I didn't take it out. I left it in. Okay. He did whatever kind of cool arts and crafts in his truck. So open this out. The best feature I love about these trucks, the spot in the rear that you can put a note binder or a trapper keeper if you were born in the 90s and 80s, and it closes right up and it looks nice. You want to put these headrests down and you can't see out the back, you say? No problem. Boom, comes right down. No sunroof. Heated rear seats. You got your plugs right there for your iPhone, your C port, whatever you call it, USB and all that good jazz. Super nice dark wood grain right there with a chrome accent. Looks really nice. There's the VIN number if you guys are curious, pulling more information on it. Power seats. There's your inverter thing right there, okay? He had some auxiliary things here, which is pretty cool because it's almost kind of mocks up a Tacoma or a Jeep or something else that you'd want to do. They all work. All the buttons work. And boom. Power brake, electronic brake, your lights for the bed. I mean, this thing just keeps on going on and on, and I can talk for hours. Push button start. 69,925 maintained, dealer maintained from the dealership miles. Yes, that's correct. Radley Chevrolet. There you go, right there. Boom. There's the inspection ticket. All the books, the factory books are right here. Your Sirius XM, all your compartments, your backup camera. It's got the tow hitch camera, which is awesome because you're backing up to a tow hitch. You hit that button, it zooms in right for you, and you can see him go, boop, meets up right in the middle. You're towing a trailer. It's got all those buttons too. Dual climate control, heated seats, cooled seats, you name it. It's just got everything. It really does. Like electronic exhaust brake, and it's bone stock. A lot of oil pressure. Looks great. hidden secret compartment right there, or it's a tray liner, whatever you want to call it. Got my tires shining, all my materials right there, but that's the inside. Let's check out the power plant. Shut this off, tells you the hood is open. Rear sliding rear window. All your mirrors right there work great. Power locks, power seats, folding mirrors, extending mirrors. You can extend them. See? Awesome feature. Hit the extension button, it goes back in. Awesome feature, I love that. Folding mirrors. Hello. Hit the button again. Goes back out. All the controls are on the steering wheels. You got heated steering wheel. Leather seats are in phenomenal shape. Beautiful, no issues. It's just an all-around good truck. Whatever you decide to use it for, it's going to be that truck. The underside's clean. Wheels have a little bit of scarring on them, as you can see. The truck has been used. It's a used truck with 69,000 miles on it. But anywho, it's in decent shape. Here's the plug for your block heater. Okay, in the back comes with all that stuff right from the factory. Coolest part about it is your Chevy grill. Look at this, your grill cover. You're driving around in Antarctica, you want to heat your truck up faster, boom, you get your leather grill cover to cover up the whole front of the grill. Power supply right there for your your tow hitch. You want to plug your extension in right there, boom, extension. You get your plugs and wires for, I don't even know what the hell that's for, but he bought it anyways. It came with the truck. For a snowplow attachment, that's what that is for, your snowplow attachment. You got your extension for your block heater right there. The block heater extension goes there. Plug that after you plug it into the truck. You got your jack and hitch, and Jack and Jill, and Jack ran over. Jack got stuck up that candlestick, but it's just, I can keep on going on. I'm not gonna. And let's check out the power plant. A little bit of damage right there. Small, looks like somebody's throwing a basketball. Guys, stop playing basketball around your mom and dad's cars. Up the hood. Ouch. 6.6 liter Duramax engine. The fluids are absolutely brand new. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Keep on saying it. Everything is in tip-top shape in this truck. It looks great. Power plant's good. No modifications done. But like I said, there you go. There you have it. Going over a small few damages, a few rock chips and scratches, like I said, on the other side right there. You get your step rail right here, a little spot right there on the step rail bent in. Spot here on the back part of the tailgate, a little scratch up, touch up paint. Spot in the tailgate right there, you can barely see it. I have to zoom in with the camera. And it was one other spot. Okay, where'd it go? Maybe it was that. Yeah, it was just that one spot. But for a used truck, priced very accordingly, this one is beast. So if you guys have any questions, hit me up, 540-898-3025. Look at that carbon fiber kind of accents inside the housing of the headlights. 540-898-3025. Main shop phone. Come visit us at 11002 Patriot Highway, Fredericksburg, Virginia, 22408. Or you can visit the website for more information on this truck at superiorwholesale.org. That's www.superiorwholesale.org. Or you can call me out direct to my cell phone during normal business hours. If you have any questions, text or call 540-848-2974. Hope you guys are doing great and see you.